I personally cannot keep anything alive. Everything I touch dies.
I bet I can change that.
Katie Vitazzo is confident in her garden coaching abilities. Walking around her backyard, it's easy to see why.
And these are all different varieties of cherry tomatoes. So I'm gonna pull this back and you can come around the front and pick those sun golds, like the best cherry tomato that you can eat.
Can I literally
Please, yeah, just eat it.
There are a lot of different foods you can eat out of Katie's garden, as well as flowers that you can pick. Look at your little bouquet.
Yeah, I cut myself a bouquet every morning.
You're joking.
No, I don't rely on anyone else to get me flowers. I grow them and I put them on my counter every morning. It's the best part.
That is fantastic.
Everything in Katie's garden is thriving, and she wants to make sure your garden will too.
I've done some design work for families. I come in and I help garden coach in their yard so that we troubleshoot and navigate challenges that they're having in their current garden, or we build gardens from scratch.
Starting a garden may seem daunting considering the time of year.
You have a
Pumpkin! Yep.
Oh my goodness.
But gardens are more than a possibility right now.
Our technical first frost date of the season is October 8th.
Okay.
So that means we have some time left to plant things that will mature and tolerate a frost.
I was pleasantly surprised to learn just how many vegetables you can grow in the fall.
And right here I have Brussels sprouts, I have arugula, I have bok choy, cabbage, romaine lettuce, and then I have some early broccoli that I'm gonna plant.
Today, Katie and I are planting some cabbage. All we did was ruffle up the roots and cover up the hole.
Got it.
Okay.
And we've planted our first cabbage.
Wow. Okay, that was a lot easier than
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
And this is what I love too. It's, you know, there's no shame in not knowing how to do this.
Yes.
This is the best part of my job, is getting new gardeners into this.
Katie told me that gardening is her life, and she wants to share her passion with others.
I think we live in a beautiful state where we think we have to go somewhere else to experience this relationship with nature, but gardening gives us this opportunity to be right here, right now, in our space, growing something and developing this relationship with a living thing.
If you'd like to learn to garden like Katie, you can head to yesfrontyardfresh.com. Reporting in Boise, Sophia Dumani, CBS 2 News.